Hi, this is my 2009 Premium Products bike, and I'm going to do a bike check. First of all, I got a Alex Y22 rim with a Premium Products tire. It's made by Kenda, I guess. I got a orange Shadow Conspiracy chain, half link, and a blue chain wheel, 25-9. I got the stock orange seat from Premium. I find it really comfy. I like it. I got a demolition seat clamp. There's a rail seat post, so pretty good, I guess, strong. I got a stock orange cranks, Premium cranks, with Edwin Del Rosa animal pedals. I ride brakeless, so I got brake mounts on my frame. It's a Premium Solo frame, 20.1 top tube. It's very strong. I love it. I got the stock bars cut with Edwin Del Rosa animal grips with Eastern bar ends. I got a Shadow Conspiracy forks with the stock black stem, and I got an Alienation Black Sheep double wall front rim with Premium Products tire on it, made by Kenda. Really light. I love them. And that's pretty much my bike. Weighs 24 pounds. And I actually got some parts to sell. The Y22 rim, that's for sale. I'm not sure about how it weighs, but you can just comment and I'll tell you. I got some Premium forks. They're orange. I can paint them or anything. Pretty much on this bike, if you want anything, just let me know. I can make a price. I'm asking about $25 for the rim. I bought it for $75 brand new. Just make an offer. And those I'm asking about $15. Just make an offer and I can do anything. Alienation rim with a stolen hub and just some spokes off an old rim.